How's it going, everyone? We've made it halfway through the week. I want to give you an update on the day trades I've taken and the future trades thus far. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this. This trade I took on ES. I took this trade live on Instagram this morning. This is the second day in. I've been doing futures trading live during pre-market before my day trading watch list I create, of course. Now let's take a look here. Let me zoom in on the 5-minute time frame. Our entry on this trade was at 3834. We went short on ES. It pushed up to 3835 point something. But anyways, we got in here. Had a beautiful push down. I was all out of this trade at 3830. Full transparency, I paper handed this trade big time, but I do like the scalp trading futures. That's just what worked for me so far. Once I get more comfortable, maybe I can let my runners run a little more. But I'm sure some of the people that was in the live, they did confirm they took it and made good profit, but I'm sure some held longer than I did, the more experienced futures traders. Now, on to options trading. Okay. This was a trade right off the opening candle. This was a breakout to the downside, okay? These type of trades are higher risk. I do not recommend this type of trading for unexperienced traders. Even experienced traders can get caught in false breakouts. But this was on Tesla. My watch list level was short, 190, so I took puts below that. I took the 187.5 puts with Friday's expiration. We got in right off the opening. That's all right. This is my level. I'm in. We got in. Beautiful push down to nearly 187, right at a 3-point push down. Very nice return on the options. My stop loss was set just a little bit into profits, and I did get stopped on the runners. Overall, a beautiful trade. Now, let's talk about SPY, the SPY reject that I took. I talked about this inside Team Bull, but I want to elaborate on it some more here. This was our entry on this trade. Right at 380 was my level. That's a 38.2% fib level. We had the 20 EMA, the 20 SMA set in there as well. So we got in here with puts. I was using the 389 puts. I was using the 379 puts for this trade. Had a nice move down. We trimmed around that 50% level. Then my next trim was down here around 378.4, the low of day. And then I got stopped in profit on my remaining runners, which I only had 5 put options running. Got stopped in profit. Beautiful trade. Called this out live inside Team Bull. The team ate. Very happy with the overall day. And that's all I have for you all. I appreciate my followers. Appreciate you more than you realize. If you're not following my other socials, you need to be free game on there, especially my Instagram. Go live every morning, create a day trading watch list for options, and I have been going live before that, trading futures. But that's all I have for you all. As always, I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.